What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the tools you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a Kia Stinger. We're going to be looking at a 2021 Stinger in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So all those items I just mentioned are going to be located in the rear of the vehicle. In order to access them, we need to open the trunk. Now, if yours has this plastic mat in yours, as this one does, you'll just need to pick up on that. And then we see this handle right here. Go ahead and grab that and pull up. Now, looking right here, we have our jack right here. This is the handle for the jack right here, this piece with the curve. We have a lug nut wrench right here. And then this is a towing hook. Now there's kind of this other little shroud in here that you can pick up on. And then you see the spare tire right there. This whole tray of tools will lift out of there. And then we have our spare tire right there. And to get this off, you just need to loosen up that wing nut, spin that all the way off there, and then the spare tire will pull out. So that should be everything you need in order to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.